to the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always reach out to me in the comments, right? And I love for anyone to reach out to me provided any feedback, right? Right, so today we're going to be looking at a Facebook project, especially when we're looking at some lazy loading. So let us go ahead, get started. I believe I left off at the login, right? So now we're at the home page. Right? I just want to go ahead and change that back to the login page. Just want to go ahead and log in, and then am I? Great. So just go ahead and just change this to false. And then GHI, that's my password. So if you want to log into the Ruby account here, that'll be nice. Right, so what I want to go ahead and show is that right now we have a lazy loading occur here, right? And if I go ahead and set this to false, we're gonna reload it. Keep this on home. Right. What we're going to have is that we're not going to have any lazy loading. I think the page loads that fast, but you're going to see the difference here as you have like more and more elements. You want to start to incorporate lazy loading into the application. Right, so like it tries to load all the components and get them ready before the page shows. However, with lazy loading, but you want to set that, go ahead and set that to true. All right. I think what happens is that the page would load, right? And now all these extra components would start to come together, right? So now that it's easier for the end user to interact with the page, and everything could come together later, like so, right? So how I want to go about showing this is that we're using this PrimeNG, and I wanted to go ahead and give a shout out to PrimeNG. Really appreciate their software, right? I'm just gonna leave it up for a bit. NG, right? And really just wanted to give a shout out to PrimeNG. Love their components, love their use of components, and definitely I take PrimeNG over Angular Material, right? It supports more libraries like React, Vue, and a framework in Java. There's probably one. And what I really find is that it's either I'm better in Angular or just getting all the data that you need into PrimeNG